On the west bank of the Morara, in Region 3, lies a place rich in history and community spirit, the Vieira Park. Originally part of a plantation, this land was officially designated as a public park in 1982, following a generous donation by Mr. Joseph Rudolph Vieira to the people of Guyana. In 2022, a new chapter began. Through partnership between Guyana and China, Park was reimagined under the Guyana-China Friendship Initiative, an ambitious project valued between 8 to 12 million US dollars. The transformed Guyana Friendship Park stands as a symbol of over 50 years of diplomatic relations, blending modern urban design with traditional Chinese architectural elements. The journey begins at the main entrance, located on the southeastern edge of the park, serving as a key gateway connecting the new urban development with this revitalized public space. Concentric circular pathway guides visitors naturally through the space, drawing attention to the heart of the park. At its center stands the Guyana-China Friendship Monument, surrounded by a landscape green island, serving as both symbolic landmark and a gathering spot for the community. Nearby, a thoughtfully designed children play zone features a sand-filled surface with simple, low-level structures, encouraging physical activity, coordination, and imaginative play in a safe environment. To the north, the atmosphere shifts. The energy of the plaza gives way to a more tranquil setting. The Chinese-style pavilion, wooden boardwalk, and a shaded pathway create a peaceful retreat. Surrounded by ponds filled with water lilies, this area offers a calm, almost resort-like experience, perfect for rest, reflection, and quiet enjoyment. At this section, the pathway curves naturally through the landscape, blending open grassy areas with mature trees that provide shade, ideal for walking, jogging, or simply enjoying the outdoors. To the east, the park transforms once again, this time into a vibrant hub for sports activities. A full-size football field anchored the space, overlooked by a concrete seating designated to accommodate large crowds. Adjacent to the field is a fenced lawn tennis court, complete with clean markings and a smooth playing surface for competitive and recreational use. In the center, basketball court provide dynamic space for fast-paced games, safely enclosed for organized play. And to the right, an open table tennis area, paired with seating, offer a more relaxed, engaging way to stay active in the open air. From cultural heritage to modern recreation, the Guyana-China Park is more than just a transformation. It is a place where history meets innovation, where people come together to experience the best of both.